But they are $100 on Amazon right now.
What do you mean? Keep it on top? Like just scrape the top and
Single
all the way
$100, bro.
Come on.
I'm down.
Feel it in your abs.
Oh, look, he's drifting it for us.
Get
Look
the
at
full
that.
stride.
We're going up around there.
That eagle, did it come back?
Definitely want your life jacket. Yeah, it might be okay if he falls in.
I'm flipping somebody.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
I go wherever that wants without my rudder. What?
Some bird telling us to get the fuck out. Oh bro, they got a whole
He's just bracing. He's not splashing you.
I know. Alright.
And then when you get really into it, you kind of lean with that turn to compensate to help yourself go straight. Because that's what you're turning with this, is the chine of your boat. Now if I do that for each stroke, I'm going to keep straight. But I just got my rudder up, down too. I'm cheating right now. Woo! It's alright, I got the rudder. Hope we don't crash. We're racing each other, then we gotta slow down because we get too close. Damn it! Yeah! Whoops.
Here, I go this way.
You want to get your core, so remember, not only do you follow the wake, bring your wrist across like you're trying to read a watch on your arm each time, because those two will get your core actually moving like mine is. That's what you're pedaling with, is the power in your body. If you just do this all day, you're gonna get tired. Joshy!
Getting it, Dad. You ever go to like Great River there? Hey, downtown, Corey?
I've went from here to LaSalle Rowing Club down the river with like 7 other people that were in their 50s.
How long did that take you?
We left at like maybe 9:15. We stopped at Chewett Park there in the west side after the bridge and had like, I don't know, 45-minute lunch and shit. And then we ended up getting to the LaSalle Rowing Club at like, I don't know, just around 4 or so. 7 hours with like 45-minute stop. And we were just chilling because that's the current. So, and the wind was on our back, bro. If we were actually booking it, we could have did it in like 4 hours, 5 hours maybe. But we were just chilling. Just doing this, talking, smoking joints, letting the current take us. It's a perfect day if the wind's right. We could totally do it too in this type of, I don't know about Josh's craft. He'd probably want to rent one for that day. Because it can get pretty choppy at times, and there's times out there where the like whole 40 feet around you will kind of act like a lake, and you'll all be like, whoa, for a few seconds.
Pretty constant there. How much?
Woo!
Alright,
But remember bring your wrist across, because that'll help you. Because if you're just doing the wake too and keeping your paddle down, you want to bring that wrist, because that's what's going to get you to activate your core. Bring that wrist across as well as follow the wake. The other wrist across bring it across. I'm telling you, you guys get that down, and it's going to be so much easier to go so much faster and further with less effort. Doing this is tiring all day. You get your core in there,